Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from Slack. Need to remove someone who's left your team or no longer needs access to your Slack's workspace? This guide will show you how to deactivate or remove a user from Slack step by step. Now let's start by following these steps together. The first step is you should know that you must be an admin. Only workspace admins or owners can remove members. Now you're gonna go to the Slack app. Now, if you're using your mobile device, you can use the app that you downloaded via Play Store or App Store, depending on which mobile device you're using. And if you're using your computer, you can go ahead to the desktop app or go to your web browser and type in slack.com. Once you visit Slack here, make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Now, after logging in, click on your workspace name. On mobile device, it's usually the box in the top left corner. Click on it. And here, go to Preferences and search for the administration here. Let's look for Managing Members. Normally, under in any channel, you can find a list of the members there. For example, here. Now, after you invite in a member, you should find the list of members that joined the channel. Now, after you find them, use the search bar to find the person exactly you want to remove and click on their name. And for the fourth step is to deactivate their accounts by selecting More Actions and clicking on Deactivate Accounts. After that, confirm to immediately remove access. Now remember, removing someone doesn't delete their message history. If you're on a Slack plan, you may have limited admin tools. And that's it. The user is now removed from your workspace and can't log in or access any content. Always double check before removing someone, especially if they're still active on other projects. Now remember, if you're unsure, you can suspend access temporarily instead of a full removal. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.